students, today we will read class 7th English grammar chapter 6 the noun genders. First of all, let's understand what is gender. Gender is that form of noun which shows whether what is spoken is female, male, female or neither. That means जेंडर वो कॉन्सेप्ट है, वो नाउन है जिससे ये पता चलता है कि जो वर्क एक्शन जो कर रहा है वो मेल है, फीमेल है या न्यूटर है. नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन आर डिवाइडेड इनटू मैस्कुलिन, फेमिनाइन, कॉमन एंड न्यूटर कैटेगरीज बेस्ड ऑन जेंडर. फर्स्ट, noun and pronoun that stand for male person or animals are said to be of the masculine gender. For example, boy, son, father, horse, etc. Noun and pronouns that stand for female person or animals are said to be of the feminine gender. For example, girl, daughter, mother, mayor, etc. And next is words applied to both sexes are said to be of the common gender. In other words, the name of living beings whose sex cannot be determined whether male or female are said to be of common gender. For example, child, parent, friend, student, servant, doctor, engineer, etc. Noun that are names of inanimated things or things without life, that is neither male nor female, are said to be in the neuter gender. Means that noun which we cannot identify that it is female or male, that is common gender, and some nouns or pronouns that are neither in the male masculine gender and not the female gender, that are neuter gender. And secondly, it is lifeless or without life, like this pen, book, chair, tree, ball, house, etc. Here are some rules to identify, to distinguish between masculine noun and feminine noun, feminine gender. First, by a different ending. Point number A, by adding ESS to the unchanged masculine form, like author, and adding ESS is become authoress, baron, baroness, countess, heiress. Okay. B, by adding ESS after omitting the final vowel or a vowel preceding the final consonant, like actor, actress. Means adding ESS after omitting the final vowel, that is O. This is the last vowel in this word, and replace it by adding ESS. ACTRESS, actress. Hunter, huntress. C, by other ending, by adding a suffix INE, TRIX, etc. like administrator, administratrix, hero, heroine, bridegroom, bride, widow, widower. Second is by placing a gender showing words male or female before or after, like masculine gender he goat, feminine she goat, landlord, landlady, washerman, washerwoman, peacock, peahen, bull calf, cow calf, milkman, milkmaid, stepfather, stepmother, stepson, stepdaughter. Third point is by using an entirely different word. Masculine boy and feminine girl, masculine man, woman, deer, doe, father, sister. sir, madam. Drone, bee, bachelor, maid or spinster, monk, nun, nephew, niece, papa, mama, son, daughter. Here are some words of common gender. Let's read. They are used for both male and female, which I told you previously. The words which are used for both male and female, that are common gender: baby, bird, child, cousin, doctor, dentist, friend, foal, cook, infant, enemy, pupil, spouse, student, thief, teacher, monarch, person, parent, servant, etc. I hope you all were very well understand about the chapter, the noun gender. We will meet in our next class with the chapter noun case. Okay? So revise the chapter. Thank you.